Hi, welcome back to the second half of our Arbor Day story time. First thing I'm going to teach you is the sign language for tree. So you bend your non-dominant hand at the elbow and keep it flat in front of you, and this is supposed to be the ground. And your other hand is bent at the elbow vertically, and your fingers spread just a little bit, and this is your tree. And to make the sign tree, you just wave your hand twice. Tree, tree, tree. Good job, it's a simple one. We are going to do a spring tree for our craft. This is what we're going to make. A spring tree with the blossoms falling and some grass. Now, we have a template that you could, it's just simple for grass and a tree trunk. And to make the accordion shape of the tree, you're going to do one fold about a ½ inch, and then you keep folding and flipping the paper over. So these are my folds, I've done 3. I flip the paper upside down and I do a 4th fold. And then I flip it upside down again and do a 5th. Continue until the whole page is folded. Then you're going to do it right in half, open it up, and just use a glue stick to put glue and glue. And you'll have to hold it together for about a minute until it's dry. Then you'll be able to open it up, and you sort of bend this a little there, and you're able to glue it on the paper and it will stay, like you can see here. Now, to make the flowers, you're going to cut, I did pink and white paper, and then you're going to have your child cut the little bits of it. Kids, when they're first learning scissors, they turn it all around. A good hint, on the hand they cut, put a smiley face, and they can hold and keep the smiley face where they can see the smiley face, and just have them cut, cut. And then you'll just crumple the paper, put glue on it, and glue it all over. To make the grass, you'll cut the big part, and holding that wider sheet of paper, have your child just do cut, 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 cut. It keeps their hand in the right place, and they love to cut. So it is a fun craft for the children, and make a spring tree. We have coloring pages. A spring tree with tulips, a child planting a tree for Arbor Day, and different trees in the forest with animals. An owl that lives in a tree. We have links from the Arbor Day Foundation. We have 2. We have Carly's Kids Corner with information, games, and activity sheets, and All About Trees, which is tree identification. So from the size and shapes of the leaves, the color, the trunk. We have from the Old Farmer's Almanac, the Arbor Day history. We have from Child Fun, Arbor Day activities and crafts. And last, from Mass Live, we have 10 Arbor Day facts about Massachusetts. Arbor Day, to celebrate trees, one fun fact I want to share with you. Can you guess which country has the most trees? Who plants the most trees? It's a hard one. I bet you can't guess. It's China. China plants the most trees in the world. They have the biggest population, and in 1981, their emperor made it a law that everybody from between ages 11 and 60 have to plant. It's a law, 3 to 5 trees every single year. So I hope your family celebrates Arbor Day this year and has fun planting a tree. Thank you for listening.